Stephen Hutchinson, Product Manager for Norton St Gobain. One of the products we've launched at the show this week is our process tubs, showcasing all of our premium products in a one simple tub for each various stage of the repair process for a car. The first process is our panel tub. It contains all our premium blaze ceramic products, all on a premium backing, and our stripping disc, cutting, file belts and block rolls. The next part of the process we have is our paint tub. Again, it's our cyclonic disc range with 800 grit soft touch disc for blending, all on with a backup pad. Also includes a grey scuffing pad, including our scuff gel to help get a fine finish. In the final stage, we have a complete tub which has everything you need to get the final finish, repair all your minor defects at the end, defect removal, full range of polish system, discs, and to get your flatten your product, detail spray to get the final finish, and all of our matching foam pads to help get a perfect finish.